Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we're going to build a wildlife corridor mapping interface using Tailwind CSS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create the stunning component you see on the screen right now. Let's start by creating an empty container with some margin to ensure it doesn't stick to the edges. Next, we'll add a green background, padding, rounded corners, and a shadow to give our container a nice card-like appearance. We'll set the text color to white to ensure good contrast against the green background. Let's define a maximum width for our container and make it responsive by setting it to full width. We'll center the text inside our container for better alignment. Now let's add a title to our component using a heading element with a bold font. We'll add a brief description below the title to explain the purpose of the interface. Let's create a grid layout inside our container to organize additional content. We'll add a placeholder image to represent a map thumbnail, using Tailwind classes for border and rounding. Next, we'll create a flex layout for the text content next to the image. We'll add some text information about the corridor, such as its name and length. Let's add a button to allow users to view more details about the corridor. We'll add another grid item to demonstrate how you can expand this interface with more corridors. We've added a second corridor to our interface, complete with its own image, text, and button. Finally, let's add a button at the bottom to allow users to add new corridors to the interface. In this video, we covered how to build a wildlife corridor mapping interface using Tailwind CSS. We explored various Tailwind classes to create a visually appealing and functional component. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching.